You've done what women are praised for doing. You learn to build, achieve, care for everyone around you, and keep going, even when everything inside you was begging you to stop. And from the outside, your life works. But inside, you feel distant. You overthink what you want. Second guess what you're feeling. And that kind of disconnection rarely happens all at once. The biggest betrayals are committed in whispers. One more yes when you meant no. Pushing through. The moments when you make yourself easier for everyone else to hold, but harder for you to feel yourself. That beautiful mind of yours can explain every choice, but the body keeps receipts. I'm Miss, an embodiment coach and facilitator. For 18 years, I've worked with women who are the picture of success. Outstanding caregivers, successful professionals, enviable wives. You know, good women. And I keep seeing the same thing. Women who are impressive to everyone around them, but even in their own skin, they feel invisible. Which is why my work is not about making you sexier, softer, more feminine, or more functional. It's about helping you build a relationship with yourself and your body that you actually trust through embodied protocols and practices, sensual movement, and honest conversation. We explore what your body has been communicating and what happens when you stop overriding it. In the return, you start recognizing those patterns sooner and become fluent in your own cues, getting clearer about what feels like a yes, a no, and what really needs your attention. And that changes the way you move through your life, making decisions with more clarity, trusting yourself more than you trust anyone else. Just feeling more present, the aliveness, and so much more connected to yourself. That is what the return is all about. Come back to your body, learn to trust what it's telling you, reclaim yourself. Join me for the return.